everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus from AverMedia. So here we go. Ooh, let's see what's inside. Okay. Okay. We have two HDMI cables, one for the TV and one for the Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus.
But since we already have our two HDMI cords, we'll just set those to the side. And we also are not going to be using the audio cable right now during this presentation, so we'll set that one to the side and we'll go ahead and hook up our USB power source. We can either hook it into our computer or we can hook it into our power source.
Okay.
Okay, the other items that we're going to need in order to utilize this product is also going to be an SD card,
An SD card,
and a flash drive. So you go ahead and open up the flash drive, which we got the flash drive at Best Buy for $20, and this little SD card at for what was it? Like $8, $8 or $9.
Okay, let's unwrap it. And here is the flash drive.
And here is the SD card. Alright, so now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and start hooking up the device to the console, correct?
Correct.
So you see we have our HDMI cords, our USB cable cords, and our, alright. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take the HDMI cord that we have plugged into the Nintendo Switch. As you can see back on the back of the Nintendo Switch, we have the AC adapter which is plugged in. We have the USB port and then the HDMI. The HDMI cord is the one that we just unplugged from our TV. So the one that's coming from the console, you'll notice on the back has an in is the one that the console goes into, and the out is the one that goes into the TV. So let's go ahead and plug this one in, and then let's grab the console, the HDMI cord coming out of the back of the TV and plug it into the one that says out. And the last thing we need to do is we need to plug in to our power source. Okay, so now as you can see, we have the light here on the front. And let's go ahead and put in our SD microchip right here in the back. And then we set up our Nintendo Switch. Okay, so again, you'll see that it is off right now. In the middle is the PC free, and then all the way to the left is directly to the PC recording. We're going to do the PC free, and you'll notice that the blue light was flashing.
Make sure the device you have is on.
There we go. Okay, so you got your controller. Okay, so now all we need to do is click on this button to start recording, and you'll notice that it start to do a pulsing red. All right, so go ahead and just start loading in and moving around so that we can see that it's working. Go ahead and let's go to Minecraft real quick. All right, close software. Okay, so and then when we want to stop recording, we just simply push down on the center portion again, and when the blue light comes on, it stops recording. Okay, so now what we need to do is take out our SD card. Just simply push on it in the back, take it out, and what you can do from there is if you have your flash drive, you can simply just place the SD card into it, plus the easy disk into the right side, and then hook it up into your computer. Okay, so now that we're at the computer, we have the SD disk in the flash drive, and at the back of the computer we can either plug in the USB port. So go ahead and plug in the USB port. There you go. And then you also notice on the Mac or iMac, you have the spot where you can plug in the SD card directly with the Easy SD, which we won't do that. We'll just use the USB port. So, and then you'll notice on your computer that you have this. Click on the flash drive, click on video, and then your video that you just did will be the most recent one. If you double click it. Okay, so now you see we opened up the video, and we'll start playing it so that you can see. Oh, we fast forwarded it for you. Okay, so now that we opened up the video, you can see that it's just running through we were just clicking on stuff and moving from right to left just so that you can see that it's recording. And that's pretty much it.
Alright, so the AverMedia Live Gamer Portable 2 Plus 4K was a really good product, and it goes up to 4K, although the Nintendo Switch is 1080p. And make sure to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye!